Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to get Google Maps API key. So first, you just have to go to Maps platform and you should see this one. So what you're going to do is you have to click this get started and create an account. Actually, you cannot continue with this platform without availing their free trial and upgrade your plan. But I'm going to show you the best way I can show you in order for you to get your API key. So once you have logged in and once you have tried their free trial, or once you have upgraded your plan and you have an account here, like it's full complete setup, what you're going to do is you have to click this select a project and rename your project right here. After you have created a project like this, what you're going to do next is tap create. Okay, so let's just say that you have upgraded your plan or tried their free trial. When you go to your asset or tools, let's just say, because actually the feature is different before. Now they have moved it to tools. Anyways, if you have updated your account, and then you should see this get started in Google Maps platform, and you will see your API key right away. So you can copy this one, or you can go to Google and adjust the settings here, like protect your API key. So you can tap this arrow facing down, and then here you can select of what, or in order to protect your account from unwanted malicious usage, we recommend, or they recommend, restricting your Google Maps platform API key. So you can tap this HTTP refers websites and then restrict key usage requests to the specific or specified website. So all you have to do is to type your website right here and then tap restrict key. And that's it. Now, to see your API key again, you have to go to key and credentials, and then you will see their Maps API key. All you have to do is to tap that one and you will see it again and copy your API key. As easy as that. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.